Hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to continue on with the next step of producing the office cabinet project. Now, so far we've seen a lot of parts being cut on the CNC from toe kicks, the cabinet boxes, and also the drawer boxes. In this video, we're going to show some of the assembly taking place for the cabinet and drawer boxes themselves. Now, there was only one extra process that we needed to do separate from machining the parts on the CNC, and that is edge banding the exposed edges of the cabinet boxes. Those have already been done, so let's go see how these boxes came together. When it comes to cabinet boxes, there are dozens of ways to assemble and put them together. Here, we actually incorporated joinery with the CNC machine to make the assembly process a little easier and that the structure of the boxes are even stronger. What makes the assembly so easy is having the qualified tenons key right into the slotted dados on the side panels of the box. This makes the assembly process easier because we don't have to use as many clamps or fixtures, but also adds additional structure to the top and bottom panels. The only critical item during this assembly process that we had to pay close attention to is to make sure the edge banding is flush for all four sides of the box. Once we've applied some glue, the clamps hold everything in place and we can quickly insert some screws. In total, there are 13 boxes that need to be assembled with 7 different box sizes, but each box follows the same process of putting it together. Last, the back panel is inset directly into the back of the box, and we're going to use this to hold the box square. Again, with a little glue and this time some finish nails, this box is now assembled and we can repeat the process for all the rest of them. I wasn't sure at first, but the dark edge banding actually adds a really nice accent to each box. I'm excited to see what the finished product is going to look like after the installation. Now we can get to our drawer boxes, which are assembled in a similar manner, but they're using the iso-lock joinery. A quick dry fit always is a good practice so that you can make sure that the bottom panels are cut to the right size before permanently gluing everything in place. After applying some glue, we use some finish nails to hold these joints together as the glue dries. Having multiple workstations on Legacy CNC allowed us to apply custom and high-end joinery into both the cabinet and drawer box assembly. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Now these types of videos generate a lot of different questions. From can the machine do what I need it to do and can it solve the problems that I need resolved? To is this something that I can truly handle learning when it comes to software, or how fast can I incorporate this into my business? And many, many more. I recommend you take advantage of 2 resources to answer your questions. First is head on over to our website at legacywoodworking.com. There you'll find all the different product information, additional cutting demonstrations, and much more. The second resource I recommend doing is actually getting in contact with one of our CNC experts. You can call them at 801-491-0010. They will be happy to answer any of your questions, put on software or cutting demonstrations with the machines, and point you to additional resources, again, to fulfill your needs. Now, if you'd like to just simply watch more videos, I don't blame you. Just click right over there. I think we all know what to do. If you want to be notified of future videos, just click that button down below, and don't hesitate to give us a like if you liked what you saw. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems and allows you to say yes to more opportunities than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.